Welcome to our course on Advanced Steel 2027, Essential Tools for the Designing and Detailing of Steel Structures. This time, we bring you a step-by-step course that will give you the most essential tools so you can design, detail, and document steel frame structures through advanced steel. With this in mind, during this course, we'll work with this structural model since it will allow us to cover the entire workflow of advanced steel. Beginning with simple concepts such as understanding the interface and advanced steel's modeling capabilities. This course will take you through the whole process of configuring the project according to your needs. Placing main structural elements such as columns and beams. Understanding concepts such as levels, model views, and work planes, so you can learn to navigate through a 3D model even when you don't have previous 3D modeling experience. Configuring and placing connections, and make use of both basic and advanced editing tools and techniques so you can speed up your work for any given model. Although, and as part of the design process, one of the most important aspects of advanced steel is the generation of drawings, or what it's also known as documenting the project. In this regard, advanced steel offers a powerful set of tools for the generation of drawings that will allow us to automatically obtain the details of every single element in the structural model. Furthermore, these drawings can be configured or completely customized according to our needs, giving us a granular level of control over their appearance and level of detail. From the specific set of views that should be included in each drawing, the automatic placement of dimensions and labels, down to their style and how these should be distributed through those views. Advanced steel has such customizing capabilities that we can even generate our own templates, so the whole detailing process gets fully automated according to our standards. Nevertheless, and at the same time, this is also perhaps one of the most complex and difficult aspects to grasp of the software. Since advanced steel offers a plethora of different tools and options, all of which can be used in one way or another to generate the drawings of our model. For this reason, we have created this course so it gives you a clear workflow to follow and understand more clearly how is that these multiple tools come together. And although this course doesn't cover the entirety of them, it does open the path so you can get to master this concept in the future. During this course, you will learn how to properly classify each component in the structural model so you can automatically obtain the detailed drawings of elements such as connections, plates, angles, etc. And also, how to automatically generate assembly drawings involving multiple elements. For this purpose, we'll take a look at many of the tools found in both the Drawing Styles and Drawing Processes palette, both of which are instrumental for the automated generation of drawings. Along with these, we'll also take a look at different strategies that will allow you to use them in the most efficient way possible. Through this step-by-step course, you will learn to use all the necessary tools, options, and parameters so you can model, detail, and generate the drawings of most standard structural models, even if you have never worked with or created a 3D model before.
And just like with all our courses, remember that you're never on your own. If you have questions or something doesn't work as expected while using the tools we'll explore, just reach out to our support center. Whether it's a technical issue or a question about applying what you've learned, we'll be happy to help you along the way. See you in our course on Advanced Steel 2027, Essential Tools for the Designing and Detailing of Steel Structures.